Now we will see how we can run a Java program. Okay, so for running the Java program, we have to type your code in a editor. The editor may be notepad or notepad++. Here I will use the notepad++. So here we are going to write the Java program. So let's begin. First we have to define a class name hello. Okay, I'll give hello. Okay, I'm closing. After this you have to write its main function, that is a public static void main. Okay, in main we have a string. So please note that here S is a capital, not a small. Okay. As you know, to print any message you will require a function that will print your message. In C or C++ you have used printf. Okay, printf, print. So in the same way, to print in Java you have to use this system.out.println. Okay, println means printing in next line, or simply you have to give print. Double quotes, you have to close semicolon, double quotes, and what message you have to do? Hello, welcome to program of. Okay, so here we have type our program. Now we will save it. Always remember that whatever class name you are giving to your program file, the same name should be saved. I have given, as you can see, I have given a class hello, so same thing you have to save with that file. So I am clicking on desktop. Go in desktop, I will make a folder. Type here Java. Okay, and save it. After saving it, close. As we have seen here, we have successfully done with the programming. Now we will see how to execute Java program. So to execute a Java program, you have to open your command prompt. You can open your command prompt from here. Other typing, you can simply press your Windows and R. Okay, so here our program file is saved on desktop. So here I will move to desktop, and from here our program is saved in Java folder. Okay, Java program folder. So as you can see, we have entered in our in the folder where we have saved our Java program. So from here you have to type Java C. Java C means Java compile. It will compile your file. Okay, compile your program file into a binary code. Okay, what is file name? hello.java. Okay, it's compiling. Wait for it. Okay, we have successfully compiled our Java file. Now we will see the output. To see the output, you have to type Java and simply followed by the program name. Okay, enter. As you can see here, the entire message is print whatever we have given to it. Okay, so here we have saw how we can install Java JDK and run a simple Java program. Thanks for watching my channel. Do remember to subscribe my channel and hit a like button.